Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
Would you like to register for the English course?
Okay, we need to fill a form first. I will ask you some questions. What is your name?
My name is Emrullah Turgut.
Can you spell your surname, please?
Yes, Turgut.
Turgut.
Yes.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Kastamonu.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 27 years old.
Okay, 27. Are you married?
No, I am single.
Okay. Single. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student at Anadolu University.
Okay, what do you study?
I study cinema and television.
Okay, cinema and TV. Where do you live?
I live in Eskişehir at a flat.
Okay. What is your email address, please?
Yes, it is emrullah.turgut with double T at gmail.com.
Okay, EMRULLAH dot TURGUTT
Yes,
at gmail.com.
yes.
Okay. So, what is your telephone number?
My phone number is 0543 575 2143.
Okay, 0543 5752 143.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Would you like to join the courses during the week or at the weekend?
What time do the lessons start?
We have 2 classes on weekdays. One of them is in the afternoon at 2:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays. The other one is on Tuesday and Thursday. We start at 10 in the morning, but we have no classes on Friday.
Okay. Do you have classes at the weekend?
Yes, we have classes at the weekend. Our courses begin at 11 o'clock on Saturday and Sundays.
Okay.
When would you like to join the lessons?
I would like to register for the class on Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay, Tuesday and Thursday, great. I take my note. So you can take your first lesson next week then.
How much is the course for 1 month?
Let me check. For 1 month you pay 200 euros, but the weekend course is a little bit more expensive. Weekend course for 1 month is 250 euros.
Okay, thank you very much. See you next week.
Thank you, have a nice day.